Flowering plants, also known as angiosperms, are the most diverse and widespread group in the plant kingdom. They produce flowers for reproduction and fruits that contain seeds. From grasslands and forests to gardens and agricultural fields, flowering plants dominate most terrestrial ecosystems. Flowering plants are classified into two main groups. Monocots, they have one seed leaf, parallel veins in leaves, and fibrous roots, for example, grass, wheat, and lilies. Dicots, they have two seed leaves, net-like veins, tapered system, for example, rose, mango, and sunflower. Flowers contain male and female structures. These are reproductive structures. Seeds develop inside fruit, a feature that differentiates angiosperms from gymnosperms. After fertilization, the ovary develops into a fruit which protects the seed. Unique to angiosperms, one sperm fertilizes the egg and another forms the endoderm endosperm's nutritive tissue. Over 3 lakh species ranging from small herbs to all trees. Roots anchor the plant and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Stem supports the plant and transports nutrients and water. Leaves site of photosynthesis where sunlight is converted into food which is necessary for plant growth. Flowers reproductive part containing sepals, petals, stamens and carpels. Pollination is occurred through the transfer of pollens from the anther to the stigma and can be self-pollination which consists of same flower or cross-pollination which consists of different flowers. Agents include wind, insects, birds and water. If we talk about fertilization, after pollination, pollen travel to the ovule and fertilize the egg. This forms a zygote which becomes the seed. The ovary also becomes the fruit. Flowering plants are very important because they are food source, medicine, oxygen production, aesthetic value, economic value. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and species come from angiosperms. Many medical plants like neem, tulsi, and aloe vera and flowering plants. Through photosynthesis, they release oxygen into the atmosphere, used in gardens, landscaping, and decorations. Used in industries like agriculture, textile, cotton, and paper. So, flowering plants are very important role. Here are some important examples of flowering plants as apple, mango, banana, rose, tomato, potato, sunflower, lily, rose, rice, corn, tulsi, neem. Flowering plants are not only beautiful and diverse but also crucial for life on earth. They provide food, oxygen, shelter, and countless other benefits. Understanding their structure, reproduction, and role in ecosystems helps us appreciate their importance and need for conservation. The largest flowering plant is Rafflesia arnoldi and the smallest flowering plant is Wolffia. Angiosperms appears about 140 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. So due to all these reasons as mentioned in this video, flowering plants are not only beautiful and diverse but also crucial for life on earth. They provide food,